So this next tool is our market tracker, and you can see we actually have created a bunch of different markets and we can save them in here. So I have one that's for our coffin shelf market. So if we click on this, we can go in and I have already set this market up. What's cool about this is you can put in your ASIN and some keywords, and it's going to basically show you your market share for this particular market. So you can see on this graph, this is my market share. We've got 25%. This one is, they've got 18%. Now they've actually started gaining on the marketplace. I've been seeing them they keep growing bigger and bigger. So this would be someone you might want to look at and see what they're doing, what keywords they're targeting, what's their strategy. It kind of like alerts you to that so that you can see what they're doing and maybe kind of do the same thing. And also any kind of new products that come into the market, it's going to alert you in here and you can either track them or ignore them. This is a coffin shelf. It's a makeup thing. So maybe not, but you can, choose to add whatever is the most relevant to your market into here so that you can see those products on the graph and you can see your market share compared to those products. So really it's a very helpful tool. You don't even have to, it doesn't even have to be your product. You can just put it in a certain market and you can track the market and see, if it's growing over time and, who's the main player in the market, if there's one particular product that's dominating the market. So that is a great way to just look at the overall market of a product that you want to do or that you're already selling.